Traditional tree trimming methods are a real son of a birch. Introducing the Limbbuster Tree Saw. Branching out from traditional methods, the Limbbuster Tree Saw is the answer to your troubles. Our saws are able to reach 22 to 28 feet high and will fit on most skid steer platforms with only standard flow hydraulics needed. This finely crafted monstrosity eliminates the traditional bucket truck and chainsaw approach or other dangerous high-wire methods Evel Knievel himself wouldn't dare to attempt. Equipped with a direct drive motor system, an exceptionally compact head design, and a 24-inch carbide tooth saw blade, the Limbbuster Tree Saw is built for speed, durability, and maximum cut depths, effortlessly chewing through a 20-inch diameter limb like a caffeine-fueled beaver on a mission. But don't just take our word for it, see it for yourself. Stumped on what you'll do with all your extra time and money once you have a Limbbuster Tree Saw? Well, one thing you won't spend either on is maintenance. Our user-friendly design makes the thought of complicated and time-consuming repairs nothing more than sawdust in the wind. And backed with our 1-year unconditional warranty, you can work with confidence knowing this saw won't let you down. It's time to spruce up your rotten limb trimming equipment and replace it with something reliable, strong, and designed with integrity. Get your Limbbuster Tree Saw today and stop working your axe off.